Steve Robbins here. Welcome to the Get It Done Guys quick and dirty tips to work less and do more. Search engines. I just love search engines. No, I don't. I hate search engines. I think they're going to destroy the world much, much better than a doomsday device or a zombie army ever could. Sadly, I'm serious. How to use Google was once so easy. I'd type in a search term, hit search, and learn something. But now they personalize results. They give you content similar to what you've clicked on before. So instead of new, novel, mind-expanding content, up pops the same old stuff you've seen before, but with slightly new wording. This means that you end up with a really skewed idea of what the world is like. You reconfirm your existing conspiracy theories instead of getting new ones. This episode's transcript, by the way, will have a link to an article about this topic. The deeper problem is that no search engine can optimize search results so that we always get what we want. Because sometimes we want broad information, lots of different choices, and we don't want to see 10 entries for the same site, like when searching for a product that we want information about or that we want to buy. Other times, we want deep, accurate information, and we would be happy to get 10 results that point to a single website, as long as it's the world authority on one-handed basket weaving techniques. To keep our minds open, our information deep, and our choices broad, we need to learn to search better. Today's hints are about how to use Google, or pretty much any search engine, better, stronger, and faster. Try a non-personalized search. When you're searching for information and you want to broaden your mind, try a non-personalized search. You pretty much can't turn off personalized search entirely, but check whatever search engine you use. Check the settings page to see if there's a setting to turn off the personalization feature. If you use Google, you can append ampersand PWS equals 0. That's ampersand PWS equals 0 to the end of a query, and that will turn off your personalized search. There are also various plugins that will help you turn off personalized search automatically through your browser. All you have to do is to Google, how do I turn off personalized search, to find the most up-to-date information. Search on specific sites. Sometimes you may know the site that you want to search on. When I refer to a previous episode, I like to include a link to that episode in the transcript. But who can remember 250 individual URLs? One of my favorite episodes was the episode on saying no to your boss. The original title was How to Say an Honest No. Now it's Saying No to Difficult Requests, but the URL is Saying No with Honesty, Respect, and Style. This is chaos. Utter chaos, I say. Who was the genius who put this whole thing together anyway? Oh, wait. Right. So how do I find the right episode? Well, I know it's on the Get It Done Guy website. So to search just a specific site, I use the site : keyword. At the end of your search query, add a space, then SITE : and the URL of the site you want to search. So I would Google how to say no, site : getitdone.quickanddirtytips.com. Both Google and Bing will then return only the search results for that particular site. Your most common use for this will be searching the Get It Done Guy website, of course. Your second most common use will be searching the other quick and dirty tips sites, and occasionally you will find other uses for it. For example, when you want to search for a specific book to buy at your local independent bookstore, just type the book title, author's name, and site : and then the URL for your local independent bookstore, and you will get the book listing from their site so that you can spend money but have it stay within your community. Also search by date. After you search with Google, at the top of your search results is a little menu called Search Tools. That menu lets you narrow your search results by date range. Whenever I'm searching for technical information, this menu is my BFF. That means best friend forever for anyone over 25, or for men. If I want to find out how to burn a DVD on my Mac, I could just Google create DVD Mac. But that gives me articles that go back years, and a lot of those answers no longer apply. They've come out with operating system updates since then. So to get just current, relevant results, I click Search Tools and choose to show results that are only in the last few weeks or the last couple of months. Exclude the unwanted results. If you get a page of results that are dominated by bigboxstore.com, and you're still angry over that rather unfortunate incident involving a hamster, the weed whacker, and a life-size Oprah Winfrey cardboard cutout that happened last time you shopped there, add minus Big Box Store as a separate word at the end of your search. That will omit all search results that have Big Box Store anywhere in the text. Put quotes around multi-word searches. When you search for a multi-word term like Oreo ice cream cake, you get many, many results which include the words Oreo, ice cream, and cake scattered anywhere on the web page. When you want to make sure that the words appear next to each other, put them in quote marks. So search for, quote, Oreo ice cream cake, unquote, and you'll find only the pages with those words next to each other. Use and or. Sometimes you'll find a page that only has some of the words that you're searching for. You search for Oreo ice cream cake, and 30 pages down in the search results, you're getting pages that only contain Oreo. If you only want pages that guaranteed include both words, but you don't care if they're next to each other or not, separate the words with capital A-N-D. Separate them with and. Oreo, capital, and cake. That search will find only pages that have both the words Oreo and cake. You can also use the word or in capital letters to search for pages that contain one term or the other. If you decide you're going to learn to do circus acrobatics and you want to learn about both trapeze skills and silks, just search for circus trapeze or, capital O-R, silks. You'll end up with great inspiration for performances at your next birthday party. You will then get to do a search for traction and broken leg and time in hospital to recover. But it'll be an awesome show for your guests. Search engines may have vastly restricted our world while simultaneously giving us the illusion of greater choice, but we can fight back. Use search tools wisely to narrow down your search results to what you find meaningful, not what the search engine wants you to read. This is Steve Robbins. Follow Get It Done Guy on Twitter and Facebook, and email your questions to getitdone@quickanddirtytips.com. I help people design, implement, and deliver change on an organizational or individual level. If you want to know more, visit steverrobbins.com. That's SteverRobbins.com. Work less, do more, and have a great life.